Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M is widely recognized as one of the best RC planes for beginners, combining advanced technology with user-friendly design to create a flight experience like no other. Its 59-inch wingspan and industry-leading safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope system make learning to fly easier and safer, while still offering the performance to keep intermediate pilots challenged for years. This model builds on the proven Apprentice S15E platform, now upgraded with smart electronics for real-time telemetry to compatible spectrum transmitters. This gives pilots instant insight into battery voltage, motor RPM, and flight time, essentially turning your plane into its own flight instructor. Perfect for first-time flyers, the Apprentice STS gradually transitions from beginner to intermediate modes, offering progressive safe settings and panic recovery to prevent crashes. Advanced pilots can enjoy aerobatic maneuvers, including loops, rolls, and brief inverted flight. Its forgiving design also makes it ideal for flight instructors and club training programs, significantly shortening the typical learning curve. Durable EPO foam construction with reinforced high-stress areas, wide-stance tricycle landing gear, and optional safe plus GPS capabilities ensure reliable, confident flights on almost any surface. Assembly takes under an hour, and a 3S LiPo battery provides 10 to 15 minutes of flight time. With intuitive controls, unmatched stability, and smart electronics integration, the Apprentice STS delivers an accessible yet professional flying experience. It's more than a trainer, it's an investment in confidence, skill, and long-term enjoyment. Key features: safe technology with 3 flight modes, smart ESC telemetry, optional GPS autopilot, durable EPO construction, wide-stance landing gear, and 1.5M wingspan. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves that flying big doesn't have to come with a big price tag. With a 1,400mm, 55-inch wingspan and a robust brushless motor, this trainer delivers stability, performance, and durability that beginners and clubs will appreciate. Unlike foam-based trainers, its unibody ABS plastic fuselage resists cracks and damage, bouncing back from crashes that would ruin lesser aircraft. Designed for budget-conscious beginners, the TrainStar Ascent is perfect for those expecting a few learning oops moments. Its forgiving flight characteristics, combined with a large wing and low wing loading, provide floaty, predictable handling ideal for first-time pilots. Flight instructors and youth programs love it for its ability to survive repeated flights without costly repairs. Assembly is quick and easy thanks to the click-and-plug wing mounting system, allowing you to go from box to air in minutes. The powerful 4023/1050 kV brushless motor paired with a 48 ESC gives confident climbs and the capability for basic aerobatics as skills improve. Pre-installed servos with accessible linkages make setup simple, while the hybrid ABS fuselage and EPO foam wing construction provide a perfect balance of toughness and lightweight handling. Key features: crash-resistant ABS fuselage, 1,400mm wingspan, brushless 4023/1050 kV motor with 48 ESC, for channel control with ailerons, tool-free wing assembly, lightweight yet durable EPO wings. At around $180 PNP or $220 RTF, the TrainStar Ascent delivers unbeatable value, proving that stability, durability, and fun don't require a premium price. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't be fooled by the budget-friendly label. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers serious capability in a compact, 1.3M scale-accurate airframe. This SUL, short takeoff and landing, machine combines safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and real bushplane performance, making it a versatile trainer that grows with you from your very first flight to advanced float flying adventures. Ideal for beginners seeking both realism and room to progress, the Carbon Cub S2 is perfect for pilots who want short field and bush flying capabilities without investing in multiple aircraft. Safe technology provides confidence-building assistance that can be dialed back as skills improve, allowing new pilots to learn safely while enjoying scale realism. Oversized Tundra tires enable operations from rough fields, grass, or gravel, while optional Safe Plus GPS unlocks features like autoland and holding patterns. Functional slotted flaps enhance takeoff and landing control, and the float-ready design adds versatility for water flying. The Z-Foam EPO airframe is lightweight yet durable, with aligned control surfaces and charming scale details, including a pilot figure. Key features: safe beginner/intermediate/expert modes, 1,300mm wingspan, functional flaps, telemetry-capable 30A Smart ESC, Tundra tires for rough terrain, float-ready design, and optional GPS upgrades. With a price around $300 RTF basic, battery and charger sold separately, the Carbon Cub S2 delivers professional-grade performance, beginner-friendly handling, and long-term versatility, proving that high-quality training and adventure don't require a premium price. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't fly Warbirds? The F4U Corsair Micro breaks the rules with its 400mm wingspan and advanced 6-axis spilot stabilization system, making one of the trickiest aircraft types accessible to first-time pilots. Modern technology tames traditional Warbird challenges, allowing rookies to enjoy aerobatics and scale realism without frustration. Perfect for kids, teens, and adults drawn to military aircraft, the Corsair Micro provides a low-stress introduction to Warbirds. If you want a cool, fast-looking plane but lack experience, this model delivers a safe, confidence-building flight every time. You'll love the combination of authentic Warbird design and forgiving flight characteristics. The Spilot system prevents tip stalls and snap rolls, while one-key aerobatics let beginners pull off impressive stunts effortlessly. At this micro scale, crashes are minor and often humorous rather than damaging. Oversized EPP foam, propeller saver design, and pre-assembled construction make the Corsair Micro nearly indestructible. Key features: 6-axis Spilot Euro, 3 flight modes, beginner intermediate expert, 1-key aerobatics, propeller saver, complete RTF package, 12 to 15-minute flight times, 400mm wingspan, 60 g-weight, coreless motor with gearbox, 1S 500 mAh LiPo, and 200+ feet range. Affordable at around $110–$120 RTF, this Corsair Micro is widely available on Amazon and Volantex dealers. It's beginner-friendly, durable, and packed with fun, proving that you don't need experience to fly a Warbird confidently. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. The Cripes Mighty Third P51D Mustang delivers a full Warbird experience at the sport scale level. With operational split flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and an iconic 4-blade propeller, this Mustang combines authenticity, performance, and pilot-friendly technology. AS3X stabilization and optional safe select make what is traditionally a challenging aircraft accessible to intermediate pilots ready for their first full-house Warbird. Ideal for intermediate to advanced flyers, history enthusiasts, or anyone who has mastered basic RC flight, this P51D offers both visual appeal and exhilarating performance. On 3S LiPo, it flies smoothly and predictably, switch to 4S and it transforms into a high-performance aerobatic machine. The AS3X system smooths out turbulence while preserving the realistic Mustang feel, making every flight both exciting and manageable. You'll love the meticulous scale details, from sequenced retractable gear doors and metal-geared servos to museum-quality paint and exhaust stacks. Functional flaps and retracts enhance realism, while the Smart 70A ESC with telemetry provides essential performance feedback. Key features: functional split flaps with independent servos, electric retracts with scale covers, AS3X with optional safe select, 3S/4S power compatibility, telemetry-capable 70A ESC, 4-blade scale prop, 1,219mm wingspan, 1,065mm length, 1,530 g-weight. Though discontinued, those who secure this Mustang enjoy a beautifully crafted sport-scale Warbird that blends scale fidelity, versatility, and thrilling flight performance, perfect for aerobatics, scale flying, or photography.